In this video, I will show you how to install mods for Kingdom Come Deliverance. So first, to do this, we need to go to this website, the Nexus Mods website. And also we need to make an account. I already have one, so you will need to do this first to download the mods. Now here we need to search for the game, so we are going to search for Kingdom Come. You can see this is Kingdom Come 2, so this is what we are looking for. And now we need to install a mod. And to do this, we can choose any mod we want. I will choose, for example, this one. And now here, if we scroll down, you can see here what we need to do. But most of the mods, we need to just download the file. As you can see here, we click on files and now download in the manual download. And now once we install the file, we need to go to the game file. To do this, I already have here my folder, but to do this easily, you can go, for example, I don't have here the game, but for you, this will be click on right click, manage, and here in browse local files, this will open your folder for the game. So here, right now, what we need to do first is to create a new folder. This will be the mods folder. This is what we need to do to be able to install the mods. And now we need to go to the file we just downloaded. Go here, and now we have to unzip this. So I will just use, for example, 7-zip. You can use whatever you want. And now what we need to do here is to take this file right here, and we need to copy this and move this inside the mods folder. So now we need to go to the game and test if it's working. Okay, in the game, so because I installed the instant picking herbs, now we won't be able to see the animation. As you can see, I just press E and this just skips the animation, so this means the mod is working and everything is fine. So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.